Good morning, Preston. Hi. Yummy? Ngon con vỗ tay đi. Good morning, guys. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. P actually just woke up. He slept in really late today. So yesterday we were supposed to put up a vlog because, you know, we do our Wednesday vlogs, and I just could not get it up because I was super tired yesterday. Like, I feel like pregnancy just got the best of me yesterday. I was very ambitious, and we went to the mall, and I went to maybe Target. I forgot where we went, but we went to a few different places, and by the time I got home, I was literally exhausted, and I was just like so tired that I could not even do anything. So I was like, there's no way I can get this vlog up. So I apologize to you guys in advance, but we are going to put up the vlog today. Yes? Hi. More? Có muốn gì? Nước hả? You want juice? Juice? Say juice. Có muốn juice không? Không muốn juice hả? Ăn này hả? Okay. He's eating his breakfast really well this morning. Good job, Preston. I gave him some toast with cream cheese. He really likes the cream cheese. He eats all the cream cheese and not so much the bread. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. It's about 11 something in the morning. I had a really rough night last night. So I took a shower, and then I anticipated that after my shower I would finish editing my video, my pregnancy update. Well, actually I finished it already. You okay? Lên ngồi hả? Qua đây. Qua đây ngồi với mommy nè. Nè, qua đây, qua đây, qua đây. Qua đây. Oh. 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 Okay. All right. So after my shower, I was planning on putting the finishing edits to the pregnancy update video, and then I was gonna publish that and everything. But you guys, during my shower, I felt so crazy. Like, I really felt like I was going to pass out. I felt so weak. My entire body just kind of gave out on me. It was so weird. I mean, luckily I was kind of done showering, but I just felt so weak, and the heat was getting to me, and I couldn't get out of the shower fast enough. And then as soon as I got out of the shower, I just went and laid down, and I honestly felt like I was gonna pass out any second. And it was just like so weird because I usually don't feel that weak inside, but I think yesterday I just didn't have enough to eat, and I didn't drink enough water, and then the hot shower just really got to me. So it was scary, and I chugged like a bunch of coconut water to get my electrolytes and everything going again, and ate a little bit just so that I could feel better. So it was super scary. And then I was drinking like a ton of water all night to rehydrate my body. I think I was probably dehydrated as well. And then this morning I felt better, but then I went to go pick up a package at the post office, and I started feeling weak again. So I was like, oh my gosh, I need to eat ASAP, otherwise I'm gonna pass out right here. Hi. Yummy? We just got a little bit of McDonald's to eat. I ordered this Louis Vuitton makeup case holder. I ordered it off eBay. It came from Japan, and the shipping was so fast. But I'm very nervous to open it, you guys, because I don't know if it's in good condition or not. It was my first time buying something off of eBay, actually. Well, I don't know, maybe I had bought something before, but definitely I've never purchased like a luxury good from eBay before. So this is going to be interesting. I hope the bag is in good condition. Okay, let's open it up. It's actually not bad. I was anticipating a lot worse condition of a bag, so not bad at all. So the zipper does have some wear and tear to it, which I'm going to get to cleaning, or I'm gonna call the Louis store and see if they can replace the zipper and see how much it is. But this is a vintage makeup bag. So cute. I'm so good at pretending. Good morning, guys. It is Monday and it's about about 12:30. We're just waiting in line to eat at Boiling Point, and me and P are over at the dollar store. We're hanging out. What's that? Ba? Ba. Oh. Ba? Ba? Okay. Alright. It actually didn't rain today, which is awesome because now we can run errands, and I am starving. Can't wait to eat Boiling Point, get some soup and some noodles in my system. Ba! Ba? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ba? Ba. Ba. Hi. We're back at Target. The single one. She's here on a Tuesday? Monday? Tuesday. And I'm a mom. I'm here on a Monday as well.
So I'm only here because it's her, obviously.
Wait, what days are you here again? Wednesday?
Oh wait, yeah.
Wednesday, Thursday?
Yeah, Mondays through Thursdays, right? Because Fridays and Saturdays we're partying?
You're partying.
Yeah, I don't party, guys. I'm pretty lame.
Wait, where's the water?
Oh, I'm not even looking.
Okay, anyway, so we're here picking up water, and she's getting some of O'Keeffe's hand cream. Do you need the O'Keeffe's?
You guys,
it sounds so pervy.
Like, so sexual, you guys.
Anyway, apparently this is the best hand cream. There's 876
8,100 on Amazon.
8,100 reviews of the O'Keeffe's hand cream. So we had to go to Target to pick it up because apparently her hands are just rough.
No, you guys, it's just dry. These winter months it's hard. It's hard on people's hands. Okay?
Wait, where's the water? Oh, right there. Right there. Okay, we're here picking up water because it's on sale. It's $3 for a case. And that's it. Picking up water.
Not life.
Hanging out. We just had lunch. Okay, here it is. We need a lot. As much as we can carry. Okay. Wait a minute.
Wait, is this it?
Yeah, 256. So. Lord have mercy.
I got it. Back up. Let me just do it.
It's so heavy.
How many do you need?
There's a lot of people at the house. There's a lot of people.
This is what happens when you don't get out, guys. You get like her.
Raised by wolves.
So we are trying to do puppy chow. This is Chex Mix Muddy Buddies, but it's corn chow, y'all. Puppy chow. Puppy chow. We're kind of crazy today, you guys. It's just, you know. So we're gonna find all the ingredients.
Okay, so
What we got?
1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chip.
It's too blurry.
This one?
Yes, that is semi-sweet. Or should we do the Ghirardellis?
Where?
No, no, right here.
Oh no!
No, for the other prices. No.
No.
I realized it after I saw the prices, you guys. It's such a big difference.
$269 and $314. No,
We ain't about that life. We ain't about we're not about that life, you guys.
we ain't rich. No. Half a cup of peanut butter.
Wait, how do I turn this so we can see each other?
Okay, you go like this, and you turn it like that.
Sorry. So sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. We're in everybody's way, you guys. We're so rude.
We have a lot of water.
Yeah, I'll say.
Okay, what else do we need? Half a cup of peanut butter.
You don't have peanut butter at home?
I might.
Let's just get a small one. You guys, we are being so cheap right now. So, the recipe calls for some vanilla extract. And so,
we're getting the imitation one. 69 cents compared to $7. We wanted 69 cents. Because, you know, we gotta save money for Chanel. It's about 6 o'clock and I made pho. I'm doing 2 batches because there's a lot of people eating and I only have the 8-quart, well, not only, but it's the 8-quart, but I needed a lot more soup and stuff. So I went ahead and made the pho. We're doing chicken pho tonight. This is my favorite part, opening it. Yummy. Time to make the puppy chow.
Yummy, yummy.
Also known as muddy butter.
Buddy. Muddy buddy?
Muddy buddy.
Muddy buddies.
Oh, muddy buddies.
Oh fuck, I messed up on the cut. 5? Is that 5? I forgot, I lost count with the muddy buddies.
What?
Oh my god. I think it's 6.
Okay, now you have to redo it. You have to count it all again, like one by one. Wait, but if you do it like that, doesn't it break it?
Well, it's gonna break some, but they're just supposed to be stuck together. So this is the final product of the puppy chow.
AKA muddy buddies, nutty butters.
Yeah. But as old folks call it,
Nut in your face.
puppy chow. It's delicious.
Hi. Preston, hi. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Stomp your feet. Turn around. Turn around. Woo. Snap your fingers. Oh. Alright guys, it's Wednesday. What the time is?
Time is 4:28.
4:28. We've had a really productive day today. We went to go eat. Wasn't very good, but we did get pulled over. We got pulled over, right, bud? But luckily we didn't get a ticket because Hannah showed them.
Boobies.
He obviously didn't care about my big belly, but the boobs worked. We got out of the ticket. He was actually really nice about it.
And he was so good looking.
I told you, ask him out.
I should want to test. You should ask me out.
He was recording it. Anyway, so this is it today for this week's vlog, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Bye. Bye. Bye, Digong. Bye. 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 What are you eating? Share? No, you don't want to share? No. Okay, fine.